Hello, my name is Henia and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about North African cooking, start now by hitting that subscribe button. Today we're going to prepare a traditional Algerian soup called Selq bel Roz, or in English, Swiss chard soup with rice. Bismillah, let's get into it. The ingredients are listed above on the screen but also down in the comment box below. So here I'm going to use some Swiss chard. You can also use spinach if you like. I'm going to separate the leaves and stack them on top of each other so that I can see which are the good ones and which are the bad ones. And then once I've gotten them all stacked, I'm just going to cut them right above or below the stems, as you can see here. And then I'm going to chop the stems into small little pieces because I am going to be using them in my soup. And then I'm also going to slice up the leaves into a rough chop here. And I will be adding those later as well. In a stock pot I have a piece of chicken. I am using some thighs and I added some salt and a bay leaf. Also Swiss chard stems. And I'm also going to be adding my onion and garlic in there as well. And also the carrots, the tomato paste, and the dirsa, which is red pepper paste. And I'm going to simmer that on a low heat until the chicken is tender. Once the chicken is tender, I'm going to remove it and put it on a plate and allow it to cool. And once it's cool, I'm going to shred the chicken right off the bone. And then I'll be adding my rice into the soup and allowing that to further cook until the rice is cooked completely and the soup is thickened. And here you go, here's our finished soup as you can see at the table. It is really nice and thick, nutritious, full of vitamins and minerals that you need on these cold winter days. I like to serve the soup with some fresh made bread. Here you can see I have my no-knead Algerian style matloua, Tadjine, khubz Tadjine, and also I have some steamed artichokes that I've also served as a side. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.